guys doing today? I missed you so much. Today we are having something different that we never really did on the channel before. We're having because I know like the egg bowls are really popular, but I was craving eggs, but I also was craving like a spicy sauce, not a butter sauce. I wanted like a spicy sauce. So this is chili garlic sauce. And you guys, my eggs are struggling, okay? Like, I am not good at making eggs, but I did the best I could. They are done. They're hard boiled. They are done. And oh my gosh, y'all. Woo! Golly. That looks so good. Ooh, the chili sauce. I gotta drizzle all that on there. Oh, man. Yes, you guys. So this is eggs. Hard-boiled eggs. Now, I know I've seen some people do it. Okay, so I know I've seen some people do it with the balut egg. Y'all, I don't know if I could ever do that. But we have cucumbers. And we have onions on the side. And I have some really cold water here, because this is really spicy. This is 15 eggs, you guys. I don't know how many I can eat, but I'm going to give it a try. And we will see. It's really, really good. And this is good, like, if you don't want to do, like, butter sauce, you can still use the spicy sauce. Look, you guys. Oh, man. It is so good. Yeah. This is 15 eggs, you guys. Spicy, garlicky. Refreshing. You can actually make the sauce yourself. I bought the sauce because it's hard for me to find chili peppers. But it's really easy. You want one? Look how pretty that is. A pretty color. Ooh. It's very spicy. You can make it as spicy as you want. Oh my god, the sauce is so good. I love that crunch. Mmm. Yummy. Mmm. 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 Onion. Mmm. That's good. Mmm. Mmm. It's spicy. It's spicy, but it's not over the top spicy, which is good. That's why I didn't put any makeup on, because I was like, I am not about to be sweating all crazy. Mmm. 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 I think it's a really nice snack. If you're hungry, want something tangy, want something vinegary, want something spicy. But I don't know why on earth and it's so hard for me to make eggs. It seems like the most easiest thing to cook. I was looking at how to boil an egg on YouTube, and this girl said in the comments, I can't believe I'm looking up how to boil eggs. It feels so embarrassing, and it does. But it's like, it seems so easy. But mine is hit or miss. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. I don't know. Mmm. 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 Mm. I think this is perfect for pregnant women. Mm. I think this is perfect for women who are pregnant and they crave eggs, because I know that that's a big craving. Like, you just want eggs. Or eggs and also something spicy. This is perfect. Mm. 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 You can get this sauce. You can get this sauce right from the grocery store in the Asian aisle. Or you can make it yourself. Super easy. Chili peppers, garlic, and vinegar. Super easy. Excuse me. Excuse me. Mm. I have 4 eggs left. I don't know if I can finish them, you guys. I ate 10 or 11 eggs. I had 15 here. Mm. That was delicious. Definitely gonna be trying new things on the channel. Eating my cravings, eat whatever I want to eat that I'm craving. Showing you guys what I eat off camera. Some things. Continuing my weight loss journey. I think I want to lose maybe, I think 20 more pounds. I think 20 more pounds I would be there. Now, the thing about me, I don't look like I weigh as much as I weigh. Like, if I was to tell you how much I weigh, you wouldn't believe me. Because I carry my weight different. Like, I just feel like I carry my weight. And I've always been like that. You just wouldn't believe that I weigh that much or weigh that little or whatever. And maybe 10 more. Maybe 10 more, not 20. I think maybe 10 more. But yeah, I'm loving it. Working out, eating right, changing my diet, eating a lot more fruits and vegetables. I love fruits and stuff. I love vegetables. Always have loved vegetables. Excuse me. And you know, I'm just on a journey right now. I'm really on a journey in my life, in all areas of my life. Life is a journey, period. Life is a journey. But I am on a journey right now, you guys. And I just feel so good about this journey. I feel excited about it. I'm thankful for it. Just, you know, I don't know. I just feel different. I feel better. I feel refreshed. I feel Like, I don't have any makeup on right now, you guys. Like, not a stitch of makeup is on my face. I actually started growing my eyebrows in. I can't tell you the last time I seen my eyebrows fully grown in, fully thick. I don't think that they're fully grown in yet. I think a couple more weeks it'd be fully grown in, but I started growing them when I was experiencing that African heat, and I was just like, I cannot do my makeup every day. Like, it is just too hot. I just can't do it. So I was like, you know what? I don't feel like doing my eyebrows. So that's when my eyebrows started growing. And then I was like, I kind of like it. I kind of like my eyebrows like this. So I let them grow in, and they've been growing in for over a month now. And they look so good. And I was just like, wow, like, I really just want to just enjoy my natural beauty. You know what I mean? My skin, hair, and nails, take care of all of that. Take care of my face, take care of my body from the inside out. Drinking nothing but water. Making sure that I'm doing what I got to do spiritually. Because everything is a journey. You know what I'm saying? And we don't understand sometimes how a lot of things do wear and tear on us. So yeah, you guys, I'm so excited about my journey. I could go on and on and on forever, but yeah, you guys, thank you so much for being a part of my journey. Thank you so much for just being here, loving me, praying for me, rooting for me, just anything that you've ever done in a positive light for me. Thank you so much. It just means everything to me. So I love you all so much. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Yeah, it's a little bit different. I mean, I know a lot of people do like the egg boil and stuff like that, but like I said, I don't want to do too much butter, and this is just as good. So it tastes delicious with the cucumbers. You can eat it with the cucumbers, the sauce, this chili garlic sauce. You can put it in your noodles. You can put it in pretty much anything. Eat it with shrimp, whatever. I mean, whatever you want to do. So yeah, you guys, I love you all so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.